Okay, guys. So, Mr. Paul O'Mahony is talking to me today, and key takeaways were: Boozer, don't worry about your ugliness. That's not your problem. And your ugliness is not your problem and none of your business. It's your parents' problem with no romance. Yeah, like, okay, cool too. Yes, don't worry about your ugliness. It's your problem's parent with no romance. Okay, whatever. My key takeaways were my current is time, which I which I normally don't have, and how well to manage my time because I got into the meeting late because of oversleep or something. Then, okay, perhaps I need to really rethink my sleeping habits. You know, and we talked about time, and I was okay, time management. I really need to rethink my time management. Then it was my favorite part, the first part, relationships, cause Jesus, this guy is saying my scary things, my scary thing was proposing to my wife to marry me. Like, I marry my wife. That's a bit too risky, man. I would have been scared too. Eh, marry my wife. That's too risky, man. I would have been scared too. Okay, there was the relationship part. Then my earnings potential. Then I got really, really interested. Hey, I need to boost my earnings potential. The investment part. I understand that. Ah, I can do that myself. The investment part, I'm busy with that right now. It was a great session. Oh, perfect. Then I got to this one later on where we talk about English. I'm like, hey guys, come on. Whoa, wait a minute. I'm, I'm just bored up here. A Crompton school from um a township. So my English won't be that very good, obviously. Obviously, because from a township, uh, hey, I don't have, I don't, I don't necessarily have Oxford dictionaries, encyclopedias here upstairs. You see, as a Zulu man, you'll have to excuse me when I'm making some spelling errors, you know, when I'm not necessarily pronouncing things in your own native way or whatever whatever English language, because Oxford Dictionary is not here in me. It's second nature. Does it make sense? Mara, those were key takeaways. Mara, thank God I can talk English. Of course. Thank God I can talk English. I'll try work that out. Um, I talk with so many countries, different people, different accents. And Mina, they know when I'm talking, I'm talking English, just English, pure English. I keep it simple. I keep it pure, simple English. Mara, they know it's the English I'm talking from a location, from a cast. It, this one is South African. International people would pick that up. No, the way he's talking is not American, it's not Latvish or Spanish, whatever. He's South African. So, gist of the matter there, guys, is keep things very simple. Believe in yourself. No matter which platform you're on, you gotta go out there, show up, be proud of your heritage, be proud of who you are, be proud of where you come from, no matter the circumstances, because your past will never define your future. Your past is never a determinant of where you go. Focus on your goals, focus on where you're going, stay true to yourself. Nature will believe you, and people will believe you. Karma will surround you. And trust me, we will support you. Once we know you are there. Sharp, sharp.